Guimaras Island, Visayas Island, Island of Visayas, Guimaras Island. Dipolog City. Ito na nga, nasa himpapawid na tayo ng Mindanao Island. So yung bagong tulay na open.
As a safety requirement for landing, cabin lights will be dim. If you wish to read, reading lights are found in the service panels above you.
Aerial view ng Cotabato. Dito tayo sa Cotabato.